Yo guys, Team Poser by Media, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a welcome message on the bot that we previously have been making. So if you have this folder here, well obviously it's not going to be called YouTube tutorials, so just open the folder that we worked on in the recent videos. If you do not know where that is, go on my playlists, link in the description for the playlist of the series. So when you're here, open cmd.bat. If you don't know right, it should open the code. Or you can just type code space dot in the code. So today we are going to be creating a welcome message for the bot. So to do that, we are going to need to go up one line and enter. So we get line 11, and simply going to do bot.on. That's me. Oh my god, where is it? Bot.on. I'm using my 100% keyboard for this series. This session. Now we're going to be doing guild member add, not guild. Guild. I can't spell on that keyboard sucks. So there's this one. Guild member. What is it? Tilde keys or not? No. It's capitals. Member add 2 Ds. Guild member add. And then we are going to be coming out of doing a comma and doing member and an arrow function, not capitals for what's 6, and an arrow function, and then one of this in a space in between all that. And then when we're here, we're going to enter, and then we're going to do const channel. We're going to be equals member dot guild dot cache dot find, and we're going to be finding the welcome message, which is channel arrow function channel dot name 3 equals signs, and then we're going to be doing the name of the channel, which is welcome. So if you have not created a welcome message in your channel, in your Discord server, create one. And after I do that, we're going to put one of these at the end, so it ends it, and then we're going to be doing if there is no channel, we are just going to return like this at the end. So now we're going to be sending a message with channel.send, and we're going to be doing tilde keys, and then we're going to be doing a welcome to our server, and then we're going to be stating the member's name, which is going to be in one of those, and then we'll be putting the member inside of it, coming outside of it and doing a welcome member, and then we're going to be doing please read rules in the rules channel. So that is it, and if we save that, terminal, new terminal, node space dot, and then if we go to Discord, if I go to my alt account and join through my alt account, okay, we got an error, and that's my bot, so don't worry about that. Okay, so we didn't get an error, we didn't get anything. Is it member.guild.cache? No, we need to add channels and member.guild.channels. Okay, so after guild you're going to do .channels or channel s, yeah, channels. Save it, restart the bot, and now if I leave the server on that one, join it, and then go to Discord on here, and we're still got an error, but it's not showing us, so let's figure it out ourselves. member.guild.channels.cache.find. Okay, so we just need to add one of these at the end, and that should be it. Alright, so now if we save the file, terminal, new terminal, node space dot, and if I leave the server on my main and join it again, and then it appears. Okay, so that's what it's going to say. You can customize the text to say whatever. So welcome to our server, you could put welcome to Test Guild or whatever. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. The next video is going to be whatever it's going to be, I can't remember off the top of my head. So subscribe, make sure to watch the series. If you have not watched the series, please watch it all the way through. I will be posting, hopefully I'm trying to get twice a week for the series, and then I'm also live streaming nearly every night, so hopefully join that up. It's just like a DVD thing that never hits the edge, because why not, try and get a couple of subscribers. So please subscribe, like, and that's all I have today, so peace.